together. We're all in this together. In this room, in this building, in this state, in this country, in this world. And we do so much together, as people, as teams, as companies, as an industry. Those of us together in this room, we do a lot to make the world a better place, a healthier place. Advancing science and transforming the future of patient care is the background beat we all move to. Making lives better, fuller, richer, healthier, together. And now Digital Pharma East is becoming fiercer together. The event we all know and love is evolving. We're bringing the communities of PR and communications, commercial, medical affairs, and pharma marketing into this new combined event. Introducing Fierce Pharma Week. It's about advancing pharma beyond its limits, disrupting the status quo, meeting customer needs, driving shared value. Fiercer together.